So guys, this is a quick tutorial just for sharing a beautiful tool, and absolutely it's free nowadays. If you go through my link which is given below in the descriptions, there are a lot of free softwares. You can download it. Actually, it's a giveaway from Omitech and their partners for Christmas, so don't waste your time, just go ahead right now. Once you go on the website, let me show you that link actually, and it's almost around 681 gigs. Now there's a lot of free softwares. You need to just check it out, and if you want any of one, just download it right now. Now the overall, you can see on the left side the popular tools: Omi Backup Pro, Any Viewer, and Omi Phone Tool Pro. Then use full assistance, PC cleanup tools, Clarity and Erase tools, complete media toolkit, and of course cloud management. So these are the tools, guys. Just go ahead right now. If you need free screen recorder or antivirus, any kind of tool, just go ahead, download it right now. Now the process is very simple. Just click on the get it now. It will give you the IDM download, or if you are downloading through browser, it will start downloading. After downloading, you will get a zip file. All right, and when you extract the zip file, you will get these two files: the notepad in which you will get your license, and the software. So just install the software, update it, or you can update it later. First you can just register it through your keys, activation keys code. So yeah, that's it. You don't need to disable your internet, and it's a legit way. Just go ahead right now. Now about this tool, it's awesome tool, guys. If you are selling your hard disks, I know you want, but in case if you are selling your hard disk drive through this tool, it will wipe hard drive, wipe entire hard drive to permanently erase all data, including existing data, delete lost data and history traces on the hard drive. So it's important tool. Just go ahead, download it right now, and you can do it, perform this tool just like your drive, and then click on wipe. I'm not gonna do this right now, but if you want, just go ahead and do it now. Wipe free space. You can also look for free space, just like if I'm looking for C drive, just click C and click on wipe. Wipe the free disk space of selected partition device to permanently erase deleted, lost data and traces. Do you want to continue? So of course it's all about deleted data, not like the available data. Right now I have window in it, so yeah, you can easily do it without any fear. Now let's suppose you want to delete a software using the control panel. Actually you can delete using the control panel, or even though you can go here into the app setting, in which you can go into the applications and find and uninstall all that stuff. But this is not a proper way, because some registry files and some backup links, like how can I explain that, like whenever you install a software, like I have installed a Valorant over here. Basically it's in C drive over here, but the root folders are over here. You can see if I go into the users, then my user account, and now here we need to go into the app data, which is a hidden folder. So then local, and then you will see here the Valorant folder as well, Riot client folder as well. So basically these are the root folders where most of the configuration saved by window, and so as well as registry files. So using this tool you can delete everything. Like I'm gonna delete this, so it will delete, or you can say uninstall, all the related folders to this file. So yeah, that's why it's good. And now you can see I got another option, deep clean. So basically clean means it will delete all the registry files and all the backlinks or back folders from this for this particularly software. So yeah, that's it. Now let's do it one more. Like I'm gonna let's suppose we are gonna delete this one. I have a backup, so I will reinstall it again. Yes. So first it will done. Now deep clean. This is how it's work, and it's super cool. Like it's important tool that you must need to download. And right now, as I said, it's a giveaway. Just go ahead, download it. Have a good day. Bye bye.